Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss Apple Watch SE, its features and overview. So Apple has three line of their Apple Watches. The one is Apple Watch 6, another one is Apple Watch 3, and the one Apple Watch SE, which we are going to discuss. So before starting with the video, if you are new to my channel, I would appreciate if you subscribe and view other videos and also share as much possible. Here we go. So Apple Watch SE is the budget range of Apple Watch, which will give you certain features with cool appearance. Also, if you are not into high-tech feature of Apple Watch, if you are not interested in buying the higher variant, but yet you want to experience the feature of Apple Watch, then this watch is very well made for you, customized for you. And if you are just casual smartwatch user, you want a watch just so that it will go around with your iPhone, this watch will be a good choice for you. So I am going to talk about its features and why it is called SE. So SE has abbreviated as special edition. So these watches are made for special purposes. So basically their price are on the lower level and features are not compromised. You will still get many features which are important. So here you will get expensive retina display. So the display has improved over the previous generations. Also there are many sensors that are provided with this watch, so you will have to take full review of this, and I will make a review of this watch soon enough, so that I will give you pros and cons of this watch. Also I will be making an unboxing videos of all the Apple watches in near soon. So whenever the lockdown is lifted, I will make these videos as soon as possible. So basically the purpose of a smartwatch is that you keep healthy and safe. So you are certain that these times are not right. As of now people are staying indoor, yet the medical emergency can occur anytime, and if you are the person who wants to be very alert and attentive about your health and your safety, then Apple Watch SE will be not only a smartwatch for viewing time and regular stuff like watching your phone's progress and notification and just operating your phone from your watch itself and listening to music, but also it will give you some 10 features that if you are a very active person, you want to do physical activity, it will help you a lot. And first thing we will talk about its design. So basically any watch should have to be looking good so that you will feel premium, it will feel premium in your hands. So they have some same iconic design and large display as Apple Watch Series 6. So the display is quite similar to the Apple Watch Series 6. Also it comes with S5 dual core SiP for fast performance, and it has fall detection and emergency SOS for your safety. So basically fall detection is that certain times you just happen to fall due to your cardiac arrest or any other emergency, you are just standing and all of a sudden you just fall on the ground, so it will detect the fall and it will make an SOS for your emergency contacts, not only your nearby doctor or nearby hospital, but also your closed ones or the contacts that you have put on your emergency, so that they will get the notice and alert that there is something wrong with you. So you will get the attention as soon as possible, and this is the most important part of your health, because these watches will be very crucial for your safety in the near future. And it is available with cellular, so you don't really have to carry your iPhone. You can use this without your phone, and you can make calls and also take messages. So it's really cool feature. And talking about the length and depth, so waterproofing, water resistance, dust resistance, so these are the main features, because Apple Watch is very committed towards their durability, and for that purpose they have run circles around the goal. So basically they have activity rings, as you can see. So here there are three kind of rings which will show you which kind of activities you performed and what activities are increased and what activities are decreased. So you will keep track of all the activities in a day. So in a day you may be walking, you may be sitting idle, or you may be stretching or jumping or running or doing any kind of physical activity. So here you can keep track very easily, because you don't have to look at the figures. Just by looking at the rings you will be able to identify which activity is going well. So it shows you all the ways you move throughout the day using 3 simple matrices. So basically there are 3 rings. One is for movement, another is exercise, and the last one is standing. And you will also be motivated with friendly competition, personalized coaching and awards. So basically if you are wanting to continue this activity with your friends, so you can just match your activity with your friends and also challenge them one-on-one or your group. So it's a really cool activity feature, and it will keep you motivated, and also it will boost your routine. So that's really nice. And talking about, it is water resistant to 50 meters. So even though you are swimming in the pool, or even you are walking in a rain, or just running in rain, it will not hamper your watch. It will work very smoothly. Now this is the one feature, workout feature. So basically you can start or choose any category that you want to do, and just click on that button, and then it will track your activity and it will give you your insights. After that you will be able to understand how many calories you burnt. So what happens that you just tap into and select the activity like running, walking, yoga, cycling, high intensity interval training and dance. So it is also pairs with compatible gym equipment. So it is very cool feature, because if you are using a CrossFit or a cardio treadmill, you will be able to sync with it, and you can avail the actual data that you are using the treadmill or any gym equipment. So it's a really cool feature. So there will be exact and accurate data, error free data, and it will also understand you to your workout, and it will make your future planning easy. So that is a very cool feature. Now it has many displays, so you can see distance, pace, laps, cadence, calories burned and heart rate. So in a single display you will see every activity. So what you did, how many kilometers that you ran, what is your position, what is the height, and what is your heart rate. So that's a really cool feature. So it has an always on altimeter. Altimeter is used for measuring your height. So at what height you are at this location, it will give you the exact data. So it becomes really easy that sometimes you are on your top of the roof and sometimes you are just on the ground. So many activity level increases and decreases. So it will give you exact data, which will help you a lot. So you can see elevation changes in real time. So if you are a hiker or a mountain climber, it will give you a very good feature. And also look at the design. So I guess the designs are really pretty cool. You have many colors of bands, and the display is also nice. So the side of the display is really cool. You can use many apps on this Apple Watch SE. So basically Apple Music is the very cool feature. So you have 75 million tracks, and I have already made a dedicated video of that. So do watch that video. I will post the link in the description, and all the inspiration you need for your next workout. So basically you want to listen to your music while you are doing your workout or doing your activity, and Apple Music is the best app for that, and it will get you very cool features. So you don't have to use and select your music all the time. Just put it on and it will select the playlist that you prefer, and you can always work without getting distracted. Now this watch is very important for your health. So basically the main purpose of getting these smart watches is to track your health, because nowadays our daily routine is such that we don't get enough time to visit our physicians all the way, and certain data needs to be ready with you, so that even in a case of emergency you will be relied on this data, and you can get the best possible solution for your health issues. So this is a very important feature of this watch, and I really appreciate that you can keep this watch for that purpose, and it will give you, like, it can monitor your heart rate. So basically heart rate is really important, and it let you know if something is wrong, so you can take action and consult a doctor, and even call for help in an emergency. So let's assume that you are going somewhere or walking around somewhere and you don't find someone. So anything happens in adverse case scenario, you will be able to contact your dear ones. There is an SOS button also, so it will be really easy for you, and its coordinates will give you your exact location, so you won't have to worry about that. And it can keep track of your sleeping. So in my next previous video where I discussed Apple Watch 6 series. So these are the same features, so I won't be repeating them here because it will make this video long. So length is very important because I want to sum it up as quickly as possible and make this video as simple as possible. So well-worn wellness, it means that you will get reminders to wash your hands for the recommended 20 seconds. So this is a really nice thing, and many of smartwatches don't have this feature. So basically you just receive a gentle tap if noise level get too high, and it can track your menstrual cycle if you are female from your wrist, and take a moment to center yourself with the breath app. Your well-being is well in hand. So basically even you can take deep breaths and it will help you concentrate on your breath and medication. So this is really cool feature. It also has a fall detection like I discussed before. So this is an SOS button. Just if you have fallen and there is some emergency, just press this button and you are good to go. It will contact everyone near you. So this is very important. And the main feature of this watch is the cellular call. So you can make a call to the office, reply to an urgent email, navigate with the built-in compass, get turn-by-turn direction from maps, and available cellular. You have the freedom to go without your phone. The right connections are everything. So basically I'm reading this because I am emphasizing on this feature, which is very important. So it is not only a smartwatch but a ready to go cellular phone. So you are going for in a forest for hiking and doing other stuff, and sometimes you won't get the charger for your charging your iPhone, and it becomes really difficult to carry a phone all the way. But sometimes when you are driving, or sometimes you are riding a bike or cycling, and even you get some important notification, you will be there to attend them and answer them. So you won't be missing out on any important stuff. So I have discussed everything in this video, and I will make another video regarding the final verdict of my Apple Watch series, and I will also compare it with Samsung Watch. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for staying on my video. I will see you next time.